Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today ipapasyal ko kayo dito sa aking location sa ngayon. So I am currently here in China. So as you know, I am working here more than a year na din, and I am actually living next or near the train station, kaya every day I have this view of the bullet trains or the fast trains dito nga sa China. And after work, along the way, it's very nice kasi yung view natin is all about these cherry blossom trees. So as of now, hindi pa siya talaga nag full bloom. So I think mga parang 30% pa lang nag-bloom yung mga trees dito. So umiinit na yung panahon, nagiging warm, kaya nag-start na ngang mag-bloom yung mga flowers. So along the way, we can see different kinds of flowers, and isa nga sa mga pinaka-popular during spring are these cherry blossoms. So ganito ang itsura ng ating mga cherry blossoms. Yung mga nadadaanan ko dito ay actually parang mga maliliit na trees pa rin ito kasi pag pupunta tayo sa mga bigger parks, talagang sobrang lush na ng mga cherry blossom trees doon. So probably one of these days pupuntahan natin yung biggest park dito sa aking city para ipakita ko sa inyo yung mga sobrang gandang cherry blossoms. But these are actually mga cherry blossoms na ayan nag-start na silang mag-clump together, sabay-sabay na silang nag-bloom. Although parang hindi pa talaga siya 100% na nag-bloom. So pag nag-bloom yan, mas expect natin na mas maganda pa siyang tignan. When I first came here in China, akala ko ito yung cherry blossom kasi ito yung pinakaunang, kumbaga, tumatak sa isip ko. Parang pink flowers, akala ko siya yung cherry blossoms. Pero later on, I realized na ito pala is a plum blossom. And honestly, for me, it's one of the best blossom na makikita ninyo na pwede mahipagsabayan sa cherry blossoms. Yun nga lang, medyo mas malilit lang yung puno ng mga plum blossoms as compared sa mga cherry blossoms. And we are finally here sa aking community, and as you can see from here, from the gate hanggang doon sa pinakadulo ng aming community, puro siya ang tawag dito is the apricot blossom. Kamukha niya yung cherry blossoms but they are totally different. Ayan siya. So after a long day, after working, diba, uuwi ka, lahat ng madadaanan mo puro blossoms, and pag uwi mo may ganitong kagandang apricot blossoms na nasa harapan lang ng apartment mo, diba? So kumbaga nakaka-relax siya. Actually, 1 week na itong blossoms na nandito. Parang nag-start lang siya ng paunti-unti last week. Ngayon, medyo parang nasa 60% na siyang nag-bloom. So siguro after or by this weekend or next week, talagang in full bloom na lahat ng mga flowers dito sa aking city. So yung current temperature namin ngayon is nasa 7 degrees to 15 degrees Celsius. Talagang kumbaga very warm na siya as compared noong winter. Kaya naman I will be visiting more garden shops, more succulent shops, more parks this spring season, diba? Ayan. So ayan yung view ng aking apartment, and by the way, I live doon sa pinakataas na floor, sa 21st floor. Ayan. So actually ito na yung pinaka main door papasok ng aming apartment, and I just want to give you a close-up look nitong mga apricot blossoms before we enter my apartment. So that is just a quick vlog around my community. So next time I will be giving you a full tour ng buong community kung saan ako nakatira dito sa China. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.